Hello, what's up guys, this is H. Chetri from Technical Advisor, and today I'm here in this video to talk about the 3 new important updates that YouTube has brought in place. Okay, this is something which it has not been out right now. The YouTube team are working on it, and these updates will be very soon out published for users like you and I to openly use for our benefits as a creator. Okay, so if you follow these 3 updates that we're going to talk about today, you'll be able to grow your channel as a creator and also gain n number of subscribers for your YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure to watch this entire video till the end so that you'll be updated regarding daily digest that YouTube publish every day. So let's talk about the 3 updates. First, let's talk about that. It's YouTube Stories. You have been hearing about stories most of the time, right? I believe that you use Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and you have been well known about the features that is there regarding the stories. And YouTube right now is working on this update so that YouTube can also launch these features on their end. Okay, so you as a creator, you'll be able to use these stories features for your channel and grow your YouTube. And how does it work? It's similarly, and how does it work? It is similar like to the things that we do in our Instagram or maybe our Facebook or WhatsApp. In fact, what do you do over there? What you do over there is only you just take the pictures from your gallery or maybe take the videos from your gallery and just upload it as a stories, or maybe you add some music background or just anime features, right? It's the same that you're gonna do even on YouTube Stories, right? So you'll be able to get access to this very soon. The YouTube team is working on it, and it will be published out for you guys very soon. All right. So what are the benefits of this update? The most important benefits of this update is when you upload the stories, it will not only reach out to the people who are your subscriber, but also to the unknown people, which means the algorithm is designed in such a way that when you upload a stories, your stories will be highlighted up, all right, and it will help you to get new subscriber for your channel. So make sure to use this new cool features so that you will be able to get new subscriber for your YouTube channel and grow as a creator and start earning money. So let's talk about the second update. It's YouTube Shorts. All right, so what is YouTube Shorts? I believe that you have been well known about the YouTube Shorts, and if you are someone who have been using YouTube Shorts from right before, all right, if you are someone who used YouTube Shorts from right before, what this new cool features is bringing is you will be able to have access to bigger library of music. Before, YouTube Shorts has limited number of libraries features for music background, right? But right now, YouTube is working on this library and updating the library so that you will be able to get access to high number of libraries and just use the music that you want, all right? So I would encourage you to use YouTube Shorts and start creating shorts. The reason I'm saying this to you is because YouTube Shorts is amazing right now. Why? This might be a question in your head, right? Okay, the reason YouTube Shorts is very popular right now is because YouTube is giving bonus money. All right, YouTube is giving bonus money to people who are creating shorts, and every one of us are eligible for it. Whether it be you are the one with 0 subscriber, or maybe you are the one with 10 million subscriber, you are eligible to earn this bonus money. So this bonus money is range from $100 to $10,000. And how do you earn it? What you do is you create the shorts, all right, and once you create the shorts, if that shorts gets viral, on the date that shorts has got viral, you'll be able to get revenue from that day, all right? So you'll be able to get bonus from that day onwards. And there's a small catch in it, all right? The small catch is this is for a limited period of time. All right, this is not for like every day. This is for limited period of time. That is, this bonus is gonna end on 2021 December. So we have entire 6 months around, right? Or 5 months. August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, 5 months. All right. So make sure to use these features and start earning money, because all we need is money, right? So make sure to do that. All right. Start creating shorts video so that you will be able to get more subscriber and also earn money. So talking about the third update is YouTube Studio. This is not something which is really big, but there's something which should be talked about. That is, when you open the app, it's mostly about the app. So when you open the app of YouTube Studio, you see there's a dashboard on the left hand side, right? But with the new update that is going to come right now, the dashboard will be transferred from, or maybe moved from, left side to the bottom side, and it will be easy for you to navigate directly. You don't have to go click on the left side dashboard and just get the options over there. You don't have to do that any longer. With the new update that is going to come, you will be able to get the entire thing, the videos, the publish time, and everything, description and everything, right on the bottom side. So make use of this new cool feature. It's not big update, but something to be talked about. All right. Okay. So guys, these are the 3 updates that we talked about. First is YouTube Stories. Second is YouTube Shorts. And third is the application, that is YouTube Studio. All right. So make sure to use these new cool features that YouTube has brought and start earning money, and also get new subscriber for your channel and grow as a creator. All right. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I believe that this video has really helped you to get the daily digest information about YouTube and what YouTube is going to bring for you guys and I. All right. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel right now and hit the notification bell icon, because that's what's gonna help you to get new update regarding the videos that I'm gonna make, and you can just watch it and help me to just grow as a creator. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Peace out, man.